Hi there, welcome to Getting Clean on the Prairies. Today is July 23rd and we're having a pretty hot day. I just checked the temperature and it is 4:30 in the afternoon right now, so it's about 27 degrees Celsius, which is 80 degrees Fahrenheit, so not super hot, but the humidity is pretty high right now, so it actually feels with the humidity like 36 degrees Celsius or 97 degrees Fahrenheit. So it is pretty hot. I just got off work. I've been working from home, so I'm pretty lucky to be able to take my coffee breaks out in my garden. And as soon as I'm done for the day, I can get out here and do some digging around in my garden. So today, I think it's time to harvest some of these potatoes. These are the Austrian crescents that I planted back in, I believe it was May 1st. So they're getting close to 90 days, which I think is when they are supposed to be ready. I made a video of how I planted these up and some updates on them, so you can check those out. So I think I'm just going to drag one of these bags over to a tarp here and dump it out, and let's see if we can find some potatoes for supper tonight. Okay, so I have my grow bag here in this wagon. I'm just going to dump it in here so that I can save the dirt. So let's give it a dump and see what we can find. So as I said, these are just fingerling type potatoes that are called Austrian crescent. So I found a couple here so far. I hope to find bigger ones than that. We shall see. Just going to grab a basket here. Not quite enough to feed us tonight, but let's keep looking. Oh, there's a nice size one. So I had planted five seedlings in this grow bag. So it looks like there's probably was some more coming. If I have another one of these, I might leave it for another week or two and see. But so far, not bad. So my hubby and I should be able to have a pretty good feast tonight, so that's exciting. I just realized before I come out to film this that I had no butter, like none at all. So that's, I have to run to the store and get butter, because you cannot have fresh potatoes without butter. Want to make sure I get through all of this and find all of them. This is turning out pretty good. Kind of like finding Easter eggs. They're so cute. I hope they taste good. These, like I said before, these are Austrian crescent. I don't know if anybody's ever tried them before, but this is our first time. So I think, I keep finding more here. I think that's pretty much it. I'll probably sift through this again. I don't want to miss any. So, there is my first harvest of grow bag potatoes. So I am going to run off and go buy some butter so we can have a good feast of these tonight. It's going to be great. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, subscribe, the red button's in one of these corners here. Leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.